Hello traders, good day and I welcome you to another edition of our video. This video is to teach us how to use support and resistance in analyzing our chart and thereby making profits from it. This video covers mainly support and resistance, and also reversal, also uptrend and downtrend in every reversal. Without wasting any time, we'll go in to discuss about the support and resistance now. So when you are making your support, what do we mean by support? Support is any line that is drawn beneath every downtrend, whereby the downtrend is now reversing upward again. So that is when our reversal is drawn. That's when our support line is drawn. So for instance now, this particular line I am drawing now is called the support line. It's called the support line. Can you see that? What I mean by reversal is when we are having, look at this downtrend here. This is what we mean by downtrend. All this red line coming down to this point is what we mean by downtrend. Let me show you. Let me use another. Like here, now, all of this is downtrend. All of that is downtrend. Also, an example of uptrend is this one. Look at how it goes. So meaning that the market is growing, is skyrocketing upward, that is uptrend. And when it is coming down, it is downtrend. At every downtrend, anywhere that downtrend stops and reverses back upward, that is where our support level will be drawn. Another example is this. Look at how small it is downtrend. Also, this part is also downtrend. Look at all of them, they are coming down to meet that red line, to meet this red line at the bottom here, this red line at the bottom. So all of them are coming down, and when they get there, they skyrocketed again and they were going upward. So that is when we see our support line, meaning that the market does not go more than that, the bottom line, which is the support line. So anywhere market reaches that place, the market is going upward again. So that is our support line. Let's go and see another example. That's one support. Let's see another one. As this one is as small as this is a support, because when the market reaches the place, it started moving up again. So, and that's another support. So that is to tell you that we have different supports at any different angle. Let's see here to this place is another support, because when the prices, you could see anytime the price reaches that line, the red line I just drew now, so the market is moving upward again. So that is to tell you that the support, anytime the market is like that, that is when it reaches a certain level and it started moving upward, so that is when we have a support. So it's so simple as that. Let's see another big support. And look at this line. So this line here is a big one. It's a big one forming a pyramid. So it's a big one forming a pyramid support. Meaning that when the market reaches coming down like this and it reaches place, so it started moving upward. It started moving upward again, moving upward to this level, and again we have another downtrend. When it got there, so it started moving upward again here, meaning that this support is giving us a strategy whereby we can input in our order. So as the market reaches this support line here, so when you are trading, you should know that the support line is already accurate. What you just need to do is to wait for confirmation. So the confirmation is that you should wait till the market move upward a little. So move upward a little when you are on 1 hour time frame. So when the market moves upward a little, then opt in your order, on any commodity, be it bull 1000 or crash or volatility, any of them, or jump or index, any of them. So when you are there like that, so definitely you can opt in your order. So, and that is when support is giving you an entry. So when the support is giving you an entry, so look at this place too. When you see that your support is here, or let's say you want to make a slant support like here, like this. When you see that the market, this slant support like this, you can also opt in your buy. You can opt in your buy because the market has reached a support level here, meaning that you wait for your confirmation, and when you see that the market is going up, so that is when your confirmation arises. So you do what, you opt in your order like that. So you opt in your order for your buy order. So that is that on support. So that's that on support. Without wasting our time, let's go to resistance as well. So let's go to resistance. So as we drawn different line for support, we also have it for resistance, like what we have here. So this is an example of resistance. So an example of resistance. You see that line giving us that when the market reach that place, the market started coming down. It started coming down like this. It started coming down. So that's one resistance for us. We have different resistance on this chart. Every chart usually has different support and different resistance. It is now depending on how you are able to locate them. So this is another resistance there. Meaning that you can simply take your order from that resistance as well. Because when the market reaches this line, this particular line upward, it started coming down. You can see that the market does not move more than that line. It does not move more than that line, and in that position you will have made many profits from it. So you will have made many profits in between. You see that the market does not go beyond that resistance line, this resistance line I'm pointing, and also this support line. You can see how the market made its move. So that is on resistance as well. Let's go for another resistance as well. So on the 1 hour time frame, we'll have seen many resistance as small as this. So it's a resistance on its own. As small as this, it is a resistance. You can even make it as long as this. So that's a very long resistance. So if you are going for a swing order, so that's a very long resistance. So meaning that when the market reaches this place, it started coming down. So when the market reaches this particular line here, so it started coming down. It started coming down like this, coming down. So when it got there, you see that that's another support for us. So that's another support for us. So when we make a slant support like this, a slant support covering this, so we could see that we have a support level here. So the support level is here, it's here. So the support level is here. And when it got there, the market started moving upward. You could see here that it started moving upward. So that is it, that the market started what? It started moving upward. Started moving upward up to the resistance level. So the resistance level, when it got here again, the market started moving downward. And you could see the movement. You see the movement till it came down again, it came down again. So that's how you obtain your order for support and resistance. So we will just also, what is important is if you are opting for your order, you don't want to go for a swing order, you want to go for a quick order, you go to the 15-minute time frame. Go to 15 minutes time frame. For instance, here, just locate your support. Look at here, these are our support. That's our support. And also you draw your resistance line. You can see the market is not moving more than that. The market is not moving more than the two drawn line. So now, when the market gets here to the support line here, you can simply wait for your confirmation. You wait for your confirmation that the market is going upward again. Wait till this small a very little buy. So when the buy has come, what you need to do is go in buy order. So when the little buy has shown for confirmation, so what you need to do is to go in for your order. So as simple as that. So you just go, you come for your 15-minute time frame, you draw your support line like this, and also draw your resistance line like this, and you make your buy order or sell order. This is another example. When the market gets here, which is the support, the resistance line at up here, it started moving downward. Can you see? It started moving downward till it reaches the support line. So when it reaches the support line again, it started moving upward like this. Can you see? Can you see? All this green can do. So that is how you make your order. That's how you make your order using support and resistance. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video and the content, please subscribe and follow us and share us to many of traders around the world. So let us come together and make enough profits. Also, you can see our bio in the description, and also join our Telegram group for free 2 to 3 signal every day, and also coming for our mentorship and also for our signal VIP signal group. Thank you as you make enough profit this year, this month. Thank you.